Today on Taste Test, we are tasting donuts from around New York City and determining which one is the very best. Do you have a favorite donut amongst the ones we have in front of us right now?
I do.
Okay.
There's one that I was really excited for.
I don't think that donuts taste super different from each other. I think I've only had one from this table, so.
I mean, who wants a donut that small? You want a donut that big.
Okay, that makes me think that that one's your favorite, which is also my favorite. But
It is!
Okay, before trying all of these, my opinion, the best donut in New York City, Doughnut's. They are so good.
But a glazed donut plain is my favorite, so I'm happy with this selection.
We chose only glazed because we want it to be a good standard. We want them to be comparable.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
All right, yeah, I'm done talking about it. I'm ready to taste. This looks like
They're
a
gorgeous.
thick donut. This thing is big.
Right off the bat, this looks like so classic.
They kind of look perfect.
It looks like an emoji.
That is like
Solid.
fluffy. Look how airy that is. Little pockets.
That glaze is perfection.
Oh my gosh.
Thin,
Yum.
crispy.
But it's like a classic Krispy Kreme.
A little more density to it.
I have that glazed taste. You know what I mean? The lightly fryer, good clean oil.
Super thin glazed shell.
I was gonna say the same thing. The shell is super thin, so
And
it kind of
cracks.
crumbles.
Oh, it's so good.
That is a good donut.
If you were to grade that,
An 8 out of 10.
wow, you're starting that high.
It's really good. It's classic.
I'm gonna go 6.5.
Really?
It's good. For some reason, like, flavor is not hitting me over the head. Like,
Okay,
it's
I
a
can
little
feel that.
chewy.
I like that though.
The glaze is much lighter compared to the first one.
Much lighter.
You can't really see the glaze on it like you could the other one. It's definitely a lot thinner. It doesn't look dry, but it doesn't look like as,
It's airy, right?
Not as chewy.
A little bit of a different flavor to it. There's some kind of like seasoning in that.
like there's some sort of like something in there that's not just like normal glaze.
No, I know what you're saying.
This one feels like it's just dying to be dipped.
Dying to be dipped in more icing, right?
No, my
Or glaze?
coffee.
Oh.
This seems like it goes
Do
with
it.
a coffee. Like that's what I feel like this needs to be with. It just needs a little something more. Oh, that was really good.
I kind of want a little bit more of the glaze.
Okay, what's your rating on that one?
If I gave that one a 6.5, I'm gonna give it a 7.
Okay, I'm gonna give this one a 6.5.
For like a morning donut, delicious.
Easy.
Yeah, love it.
Not too heavy.
So far, Donut Project is still in the lead for me.
I'm agreed.
Little mini ones.
Ooh.
They are very cute.
I like that they're portion control, so you can have more of
Same.
them. I like the manic glaze. Let's give it a try.
They look like not normal donuts. They look extra fried. It tastes like they deep fried it, coated it in powdered sugar, and then,
then
deep
fried
fried
it
it
again.
again. I think it's more like the novelty of them being mini and cute and like
And I think they have all different dipping sauces there, so there's a little bit of
you can like
there.
customize it, I think.
Because it's so small, I don't find it as heavy, but I know
because
compare.
it's cakeier, it's a little bit
little
more
bit.
dense.
But compared to the two, I feel like one little guy is enough for me right now.
Same.
But I mean, it's a good donut.
Yeah.
It tastes more like a fried dough ball than like a donut.
I agree with that.
I'm gonna say 6, 5.
I might give a 5 also.
I'm a fan of Doughnuttery. I've had a lot of their different donuts, but I don't think it's my favorite now having it with everything
agree.
else. I think that it's good, but
I think they're
it's not
they're
a
ranking.
morning donut either. I feel like it's like a snack.
It's a poppable
Yeah,
snack.
dessert kind of donut. A little bit more of an intense fry. They're a little bit
Yes.
darker.
Ooh, smells really good.
I like that it's fried a little longer visually.
same.
Nice color,
Ooh yeah.
nice crust again with the glaze.
Nice and light on the
Yep.
inside too.
Squishy.
It's not as like airy as that one. Like you can see that it's a little bit denser, but it's still really, really light, easy to bite into.
Ooh.
That's true. It kind of fights back a little.
And that's a good glaze.
And that extra frying time gives it that nice toasty
Wow.
caramel flavor.
I already forgot all my rankings, but I think that's a 7.
I'm gonna say this is a 7 too. I agree.
There is like a little extra chew to it, which I like.
So good. I'm sorry.
This is really good.
bumped. I'm going.
I think so too. I think this might be number one.
The best donut we think.
York.
We think.
We think.
Just look at the size of it.
Ooh, okay.
Holy smokes. This is the biggest
This is
donut.
massive.
Look at the air pocket.
I know, I have to look at that right there.
You know that was yeasted.
So thick, the icing is like white as snow.
Yep.
Classic. Oh my god, it is so good.
It's the best.
How?
I don't know.
really dry.
I have to say, it looks better than it tastes, unfortunately.
I agree.
The dough is so soft, so easy to bite into, but not gummy or chewy at all.
It's
just
lacking flavor.
classic glazed donut is like a pretty simple flavor, but when you're eating them all next to each other, you realize that they do have like a hint of vanilla, kind of that eggy, like they have
Agreed.
really distinct flavors. Dough kind of just tastes like dough.
This dough is like unlike any other dough that we've tried so far, which I guess makes sense because the donuts are called dough, so maybe they put something really special in it, not that we know. This looks super classic.
Classic, but not as neat as some of the other ones.
Visually, this looks like it got beat up.
I know, so this one's been through a
This
little
one's
bit.
tough.
Yeah.
Scrappy.
But it's rustic, yeah.
Ooh, it's so light.
Yeah, it really is. Wow, it barely has any like.
It's like very, you could probably eat this donut and not feel like you wanted to take a nap after.
True.
And it's not, it feels a little bit denser than some of the other earlier ones, but
It
maybe
smells. It has that donut smell.
Oh my
Like if it was a
gosh.
candle, this would be a donut candle.
Oh,
Curveball.
wait, that is so good.
Wow, that is like the perfect classic donut.
Has flavor. Nice vanilla.
way lighter and like not nearly as chewy as I expected.
I'm so torn. It's so soft, easy to bite into, no chew, perfect flavor.
I could eat like a couple of these.
No,
that I
these-
could maybe have half at a time.
These are amazing.
Oh.
I have to say it is a little sweeter than I expected.
I do like it though.
It's good. It's a sugar donut.
I'm a fan of Doughnut Pub.
Donut Pub is great.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think in my mind right now,
Probably in the lead.
Doughnut Pub and Dough are tied, 10 for 10. I think we're gonna have to go head to head.
I'm gonna say something crazy. I think for the glazed donut, it's better than dough.
I agree.
What is life?
I don't know.
Who are we? Where are we?
I think we both have the same number one.
I agree. 1 point. Yep.
Donut Plant, yep.
Number one.
I'm so shocked.
I'm shocked. We're shook.
That was just, there's something about the like little extra fry, the texture.
The flavor.
Yeah.
It had a little secret something something, and it's not nutmeg.
It just melts in your mouth.
It's so good.
It's so good.
So our choice is definitely Doughnut Plant.
Yeah.
But a close second, we have to give some love to Doughnut Project. And then of course, Doughnut Pub for your third choice.
Best glazed donut in New York City is Doughnut Pub in Chelsea. Go visit there.
Guys, do yourself a favor. Seriously, book a ticket to NYC right now just to try these Doughnut Plant donuts.
I think we can all agree that no matter where it's from, all donuts are amazing and I will accept them with open arms no matter what. Let us know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next time on Taste Test and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.